Ano-ano nga ba ang madalas tinatanong about Nikki? So, what is Nikki? Paano po ba kumita dito? Paano po maging live streamer? Paano po mag-live? So, lahat ng yan sasagutin natin dito sa video na ito. But before that, don't forget to follow and subscribe and like the video after you watch it. Madalas tinatanong, paano po ba kumita dito? Paano po magkaroon ng friends dito sa Nikki? Paano po mag-start as a streamer or paano po mag-start mag-live? Paano po kumita ng pera? Paano po maka-withdraw? Paano po maka-earn by inviting friends? Paano po mag-participate dun sa mga various events? Paano po gawin yung mga task? Ano-ano po yung mga task? Paano po mag-recharge or saan po nagpapa-recharge? And paano po magpa-level up? And lastly, paano maka-attract ng viewers doon sa iyong live stream or sa party live mo? Let's start dun sa number 1. How to quickly make new friends or paano tayo makaka-earn or magkakaroon ng maraming kakilala or friends dito sa Nikki. Kada may papasok, wini-welcome namin. So, minsan nagtatanong kasi sila, pwede pong makiupo, pwede pong makijam. So, open naman kami. So, next, how do you start or how can you start live streaming or paano ka makakapag-live stream? Anytime naman pwede kang mag-start na mag-live stream. So, doon pa lang sa pagpa-party live mo, nag-i-stream ka na. Yun nga lang, yung rewards mo ay limited pa lang since wala ka pa or hindi ka pa nakaka-join sa agency. Ang advantage nga lang ng naka-agency is marami kang rewards na makukuha or rewards na matatanggap from Nikki and from the agency. Aside doon sa mga nawi-withdraw mo na gifts, doon sa Nikki, may sweldo ka pang makukuha doon sa agency. So, yun yung advantage ng may agency. So, pag solo live ka, pwede kang kumanta kung may talent ka, pwede kang sumayaw. As long as kaya mong i-entertain yung mga viewers mo, pwede mong gawin yung lahat. What else? Doon sa solo live mo pa lang, pwede ka nang maka-earn doon. Kasi doon sa right side, makikita mo yung task button. May mga task doon na magagawa mo or may mga task doon na may corresponding rewards. So, what else can you do kapag naka-solo live ka? Pwede kang makipag-PK, what we call friendly PK sa iba. So, pwedeng random PK or pwedeng with your friends, with other people or other countries. Pwede yun. So, yung games, may mga games din tayo na pwede mong laruin while you're doing the live stream. How to quickly earn in Nikki. So, ayun nga, do the task. Yung mga daily task ni Nikki, meron tayo kung ikaw ay best quality live host, meron tayong exclusive task, meron tayong daily task, merong live task, and merong play task. So, doon pa lang sa apat na yun, may mga corresponding rewards na siya kada task na maa-achieve or magagawa mo. So, how to quickly withdraw. So, I will show you a clip or a video how to withdraw money here in Nikki. So, it will show you the steps how to get or how to withdraw fast. So, within 24 hours, you can get the money. So, let's watch it.
For today, I'll show you how to withdraw with ePay. You can check your profile and your bean section if you have the minimum amount for withdrawal. The minimum amount for withdrawal is 100,000 beans or 10 US dollars. Just click the beans and then click my income and you will see the withdraw method or the withdraw section. Once you're there, you can see the total amount for withdrawal amount, and the amount to be confirmed. Down below, you can see withdraw method and the beans withdrawal amount. Always remember and take note that withdrawal amount is the only one that is allowed to be withdrawn. Amount to be confirmed needs to be reviewed for 50 hours, so you need to wait for that. Once you're ready, you can click the withdraw. You have GCash, USDT, ePay, Binance, and bank card, and local banks like Union Bank, BPI, BDO, Maya or PayMaya, Payoneer, and PayPal. Since we're using ePay, put your ePay details here. Once you're done, you will see successful operation, and now you can wait within 24 hours for your money to arrive.
By inviting your friends, pwede kang maka-earn ng money. Per friend, you can earn up to 14.5 US dollars. Next, how to earn? By participating dun sa mga various events or activities na pinopromote ni Nikki weekly, daily, or monthly. Next, aside from that, is by completing your tasks.
Here are some of the tasks and their corresponding
Of your
rewards.
3 club members and stay for 1 minute. Enter the club member live room and stay up to 10 minutes. Club room on mic or stay in the club audio live for 60 minutes or 1 hour and you'll get corresponding reward. Invite 1 new member to join the club or follow 2 club members. And also chat with 1 club member in the club and successfully published a moment and you can earn rewards from that. Like a club member moments 3 times in a day. Comment on a club member moment.
And a lot more.
Next, how to recharge. Meron tayong recharge through the app. So, pwede nyong gamitin yon. Meron din tayong offline recharge. wherein may mga list tayo ng mga rechargers or offline rechargers na pwede nyong kontakin if ever na gusto nyo ng cheaper rate ng recharge. Next, how to level up. Meron tayong iba't ibang ways how to level up here in Nikki. So, kung level up ng wealth and charm ba yung sinasabi or tinatanong nyo, sa wealth, madali lang naman. Recharge, play, and then trade exchange. Ganun din sa charm. Receiving gifts, trade, and exchange. And lastly, how to attract viewers to your live stream. Showcase your talent. Ipakita mo yung talent mo. By that, pag nagustuhan ka nila, pabalik-balikan ka nila.
Don't forget to keep your environment clean and stream. Friendly. Put a light makeup. Be presentable.
Don't forget to follow me for more. Bye!